we often get phone calls about, okay, I need to replace my halyard. What do I need? And that's a loaded question. And we're happy to deal with it, but we're going to ask a lot of questions also. The primary things that we need to know is do you know the diameter? Can you take a tape or some calipers and measure the diameter and just lay it down on a tape measure? We need to know the length. We need to know what kind of hardware is in the end of it. Is it a headboard shackle or is it a swivel shackle? And the other thing we need to know is that do you want it stripped? We talked about that in an earlier video, and take off some of the cover. On top of, what do you do with the boat? Are you sailing offshore? Are you just strictly racing the boat? Or are you just doing pleasure sailing? And that will dictate to us what kind of rope the manufacturer and what the fibers are. Need to know those kind of details before we start actually fabricating a line for you.